G'day, welcome once again here to Country Wholesale Group at 15 Uralla Road in sunny Port Macquarie on the mid-north coast of New South Wales. And welcome to the very best SSV Redline available for sale in Australia. A big call, but this is absolutely outstanding. Brembo brakes, factory alloy wheels. Being the SSV, it has the FE3 suspension with lighter components, has a sunroof, 270 kilowatts of performance in a 6-speed manual. Sterling silver in colour. It is absolutely a credit to its previous owner. Mint condition, absolutely stunning. If you want a sports sedan, certainly this will be a fantastic choice. Let's pop into the vehicle. Of course, you've got leather interior. You've got a 9-speaker Bose sound system. Let's start her up. It's push button start. There we go. What a stunning vehicle. And they're certainly not making these anymore. Turn down the sound. There we go. So 24,000 very careful kilometres. Ice cold dual zone climate air. Again, a 6-speed manual. 6-speed manual. Very progressive reverse camera. A carbon fibre like interior. SSV logo. What an amazing car. Electronic park brake. Again, as I said earlier, electric sunroof. What an amazing package. Does have cruise control, does have Bluetooth, and just outstanding. So Country Wholesale Group, cwg.net.au here at 15 Uralla Road in Port Macquarie. 6581 2881 should you wish to have your own customised virtual tour of this once in a lifetime purchase. 6-speed manual. A great sports sedan with a very generous boot area. The car is absolutely faultless, and we can highly recommend. Again, they're not making them anymore, so this one might be worth putting in the garage. Again, 6581 2881 should you wish to have your own customised virtual tour. Factory mats, Redline edition, sunroof, FE3 suspension, Bose sound, 6-speed manual. An amazing package from Holden. Come on down now where you have the opportunity to check it out here at 15 Uralla Road. I don't believe it'll last very long. No doubt you'll be more than impressed, and we certainly will look after you.